I have a chair.
There is a chair.
Actually, there's multiple of them, but we're gonna start with this chair. It is old, it is dirty, it has been sitting out forever. It is even made out of laminate. I guess the idea here is get rid of this. We're gonna make a new one. We're gonna paint this, and then we'll have a decent looking chair. Let's get to it.
Alright, so the first part of this process is going to be gluing up all of these cut off pieces that I have left over from an old project. I want to do this in 2 sections because I want to be able to run it through my planer to get it all to the right thickness, and then I'll do a final glue up with both planed sections. So let's get these all glued up and then we'll check back in on part 2.